What you're looking at started as rough walnut wood, and I'm about to show you how I transformed it using hand carving tools. This connects us back to the roots of woodworking. This beautiful walnut came from a local Georgia tree. Instead of letting it go to waste, I gave it new life. Using my collection of carving tools, I carefully shaped this piece. The key is working with the grain, not against it. Watch how each cut reveals the walnut's natural character. The curved interior required special attention. You can see these beautiful flowing patterns emerging. The secret to a smooth finish is progressive cuts, getting finer with each pass. Notice the stunning contrast from deep chocolate browns to lighter sapwood streaks. After sanding and finishing with food-safe oil, this functional art piece is ready to serve. From rough lumber to rustic masterpiece, that's the magic of traditional tool woodworking our grandfathers knew. Hey woodworkers! Want to know the secret to getting that perfect smooth finish? It's all about sanding progression, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it right. So here's the deal, we start with 40 grit to remove the rough marks and shape the wood. Then 80 grit to smooth out those deep scratches. Next comes 120 grit, this is where it starts feeling smooth to your hand. Then 240 grit removes all the fine scratches. 320 grit gives us that silky feel, and finally 400 grit for that glass smooth finish. Here's the secret, never skip grits. Each one removes the scratches from the previous grit. Skip one and you'll see those scratch marks right through your finish. Trust me on this. Always sand with the grain, never against it. That's how you get professional results every time. Now here's the most important part, finishing this walnut piece so it's completely food safe. Not all finishes are created equal, folks. I'm using food safe oil. This penetrates deep into the grain without creating a plastic coating. Watch how I apply it with the grain in long, smooth strokes. The wood just drinks it up. I let it soak for about 15 minutes, then wipe off the excess. This oil brings out that rich chocolate color and protects the wood naturally. Unlike polyurethane, this won't chip or peel into your food. It's completely safe for cutting boards, bowls, anything that touches food. After it cures, this finish gets harder and more durable. Plus, you can reapply it anytime to refresh the protection. From raw wood to food-safe masterpiece, that's how you do it right. There you have it, from rough wood to finished piece. Listen, I love connecting with fellow woodworkers, so if you have any questions about this project or want to share your own creations, leave a comment or send me a message. Your support means everything to this channel, so please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Ring that notification bell too, I'm always working on new projects in the shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.